the end of a client's fiscal year, one of the things that we like to do is we go back and we inactivate all of the old unused vendors and suppliers. We do this just to keep the list clean. So in order to do this, what we do is we usually leave one full calendar year. So if we are doing this in 2021, we're going to only inactivate vendors that have not been used at all since January 1, 2020. So here's the best way to do this. We're going to go into our report section of our client and down to expenses and suppliers, and there is something called an expenses by supplier summary. We pick that report and we set the dates we want to see. So we want to see no activity between January 1, 2020 and today. So I'm going to run this report. All these vendors have been used, so we want to keep them. But anyone who is not on this list, we want to get rid of. So, well, not get rid of. We want to inactivate them. So what we're going to do now is, this is a job you need 2 screens for. On your other screen, you're going to go to expenses and suppliers. And what I'm going to do here is split these screens so that you can see, but generally, yes, you need 2 screens for this for sure, because otherwise it's just a little small. So here we have the supplier list and their suppliers over here. So if they are over here in our suppliers and they do not appear on this expenses by supplier summary, so if they're not on this report that I'm wiggling here, and yet they are over here, we want to inactivate them. So you can see the first line, 407 ETR. This is on both, so you do nothing. The next one here is Butterflies Touch Wellness. Do you see them over here on expenses? You don't. So you want to click on them and you want to go batch actions, make inactive, and then say yes. And that way they come off the list. So A&W we see on both. Alexanian we do not see over here on the expenses by supplier. What that means is this has not been used in a year and a half, so there's no need to keep it on our list. So you're going to click the box beside it, you're going to choose batch actions right here, and you're going to make it inactive, and then just say yes. So you're going to go through this entire report here and this entire list. We'll do a couple more. Allstate is on both, great. Amazon's on both, great. This Anjet family restaurant, you do not see it over here in expenses, so you're going to make it inactive. Apple, we don't see Apple over here, so we're going to make it inactive. Okay, so hopefully this is a clear description of what we're doing. And from time to time, there'll be reports that need to be cleaned up in this way, usually after the year end has been completed. Thanks for watching.